When asked to differentiate this log function, the first thing I notice is that e to the x times root x is like natural log of a times b, where a is e to the x and b equals root x, which I would write as x to the power half. So, I know that there's a log rule that log of a times b is the same as natural log of a plus b, natural log of b. And that's going to simplify differentiating this problem. So let's write that. It's going to be the natural log of e to the x plus natural log of x to the power half. And immediately that simplifies, because natural log of e to the x, exponential and natural log are inverse operations. So that will simplify to x plus ln natural log of a half x, of x to the half. But again, that is a separate log law. So if you have natural log of a squared, for instance, then the power comes in front to natural log a. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to bring that half the power in front, and it's just going to be ln x. So now we've simplified the original function y, we can find the derivative. The derivative of x is 1. The derivative, a constant half, just stays out the front. The derivative of ln x is just times by 1 on x. And normally you take the derivative of that function, but x to the power 1, the derivative of that is just 1, so it's unchanged. So now let's just write it a little neater. That's 1 plus 1 on 2x. And we're finished. So looking at question 3, part D, I hope you will quickly notice that the original function natural log x times root 2 minus x is two numbers multiplied together. So the first, let's say it's a, we consider it equals x. B, we consider equals 2 minus x to the power half. And remembering the log rule, that if you have natural log of a times b, then that can be written as log of a plus log of b. So we're going to use that rule. So let's have a look. We're going to write that as natural log of x plus natural log. We're going to write the 2 minus x to the half rather than using the third format. And because I can, that power half, I'm just going to rub it out and put it out the front, because that is a second log law, that when you've got a natural log of something to the power comes in the front. So now I've written that in a different form, it's fairly easy to differentiate it. So now I should really have my subject there because I've just rearranged the function y. Now I'm going to find dy dx. Derivative of ln x is just 1 on x, plus the half stays out the front. And then when we take the derivative of ln 2 minus x, 2 minus x goes on the bottom. And I'll just put a bracket around the half to show that we're multiplying it together. The derivative of the function on the denominator is just minus 1. So we multiply the numerator by minus 1. And then we're actually finished. And just writing it out a bit neater. So 1 on x plus, well actually it's not plus because it's positive 1 times negative 1, so I'll just change that to a negative. and, so it's 1 on the numerator, 2 lots of 2 minus x on the denominator. And we're done.